Just a quick video about stupid idea how to reinforce paper. So if you're folding something out of paper, you can reinforce it, of course with hot glue. But what my idea was, and probably not original, is to make a bend in the paper like that, right angle or whatever angle. Then put it like that next to the, like that. You'd have to get something to hold it, then put hot glue. Oops, it fell out. Great. Put hot glue like that. Come on. Yeah, like that. So this should hold the angle perfectly after it hardens. And yeah, let's see what happened after it hardens. And yeah, you can basically put put lines across the paper to make it hard, rigid, like that, or you know, straight to make it rigid, not like a noob like me. Yeah, and that would make it stronger and flat. It would hold the paper flat. Yeah, so this was my stupid idea for the day. Has it cooled? So let's see. It's holding the angle perfectly. Yeah, and yeah, mostly as I expected. Kind of okay. But yeah, you could do more advanced stuff with this. Figure out how to do straight lines, because this is stupid. I just improvised. To do straight lines, then you fold something out of paper and it will hold it. And yeah, that's it. Hot glue magic.